Hello and welcome to the National Science and Media Museum. My name's Mark, and have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, how can we tell what they're made of? Well, today I'll explain the answer thanks to a flame and some colourful chemicals. Are you ready? Wow, did you see that green colour? There's copper in that liquid, and copper always produces a bright green colour in a flame. Copper is an element. And elements are stuff that everything is made of. And there are only about 100 different elements. You'll have heard of some of them, such as oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and of course, copper. Now, many different elements produce colours when heated in a flame. That's how fireworks produce their bright colours. For example, this liquid here contains an element called strontium. And this one over here is potassium. Wow! Now, each of these colours is actually a mixture of a few colours of light, and the mixture is different for each element. This instrument, called a spectroscope, separates colours like a rainbow. But for these flame colours, you see just a few colours rather than a continuous band of colour like in a rainbow. By studying the light from a flame with a spectroscope, you could work out what elements are being heated in that flame. And that brings me to the stars. By attaching a spectroscope to a telescope, you can work out what elements stars are made of. Now, we don't need to visit them, we can study the light that they produce. And that is how we know what stars are made of, which, by the way, is mostly elements hydrogen and helium. Although there are many other elements too, even some copper, some strontium, and some potassium. See you later.